Hi there, and welcome to Rivertown Criers Toastmasters Club. Our club is one where meaningful connections are made, and one that supports each other and allows its members to build the skills they need to become confident public speakers. Do you want to challenge yourself? Do you want to learn and hone your skills in a supportive and fun environment? Then come and join us.
Have you heard of Toastmasters? No, it is not about mastering the making of toast.
Toastmasters is a non-profit educational organization that operates clubs worldwide for the purpose of promoting communication, public speaking, and leadership.
We became Toastmasters.
Then why did we become Toastmasters?
At Toastmasters, you learn presentation skills, integrating your laptop and PowerPoint presentations into your speech.
Toastmasters has helped me become an effective speaker.
Toastmasters helps me organize my thoughts.
When you commit to Rivertown Criers, we commit to your professional effectiveness.
Toastmasters has provided me the ability to improve my leadership skills.
I joined the Rivertown Criers to improve my English fluency.
It's all about people. It's all about you.
This club is a great club. They are warm, welcoming, great group, and they also give you areas to achieve the goals as a Toastmaster.
We are young and ambitious learners, and we're waiting for you. Join us, practice your communication skills and how to hone your message. It'll be fun, it'll be educational, and we look forward to meeting you.
Welcome
to Rivertown Criers!